This is one of those things that every pet household needs. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a quick little review of this portable carpet shampooer. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, this could not have come at a better time. We just took our Christmas tree down and we spilled Christmas tree water all over the rug right here. So I'm actually going to use this to clean it up because the Christmas tree water smelled a little funky. So we're going to put some water in this and show you guys just how it works. Before I even do that, I have to show you guys my already favorite feature about this. So it has different heads. It has this nice big wide head. It has a smaller head that you can kind of, have a little bit more direction with. And then it has this one, which has no bristles on it, which is nice for just cleaning up water. But then it has this. Do you have any idea what this is? I didn't either until I read the instructions. This is the greatest piece ever. So if you guys have ever owned one of these hoses can get really gunked up. Normally what I do with mine is I will set it on the sink and then I will suck water up to clean out the hose. You don't have to anymore. You take this head off, you put this head on, and it sucks the water right through and cleans out the hose. Coolest feature ever. I think that's awesome. Now we'll put it to the test. So all you gotta do to fill it up, pop the tank off, unscrew that. We're gonna go put some water in it and put some of the soap in it. It did come with some. You can always just use like the compact machine soap for these, but it came with quite a bit, so we're gonna test that out. All right, have some water in it. This is the tank that everything drains into, so that's the max line. When it gets there, you're gonna wanna drain it. This is the power button to turn it on and off. Let's turn it on. Okay, that's not that loud. I don't mind that. And then here is the trigger to spray water out. Okay, so just spray and suck up that water. Oh, look. You can definitely see it taking out water. Check that out. All right, so I'm going to clean this whole little area right here because that's where we spilled the stinky water. That actually worked really good. Look, you can see the dog hair that it got out of there. So now I'm going to take this one off. So to take it off, all you have to do is pull. See the little hole there? That actually goes into this little hole here. So all you have to do is pull. And that comes off. Now we're gonna put this self-cleaning piece on. Now this is on. This is so cool. We're gonna turn the machine on and we're gonna clean the hose out. Even though it's not actually dirty, I still wanna play with it. So watch, pull the trigger, water goes up and in, and look, it's going, can you see it? It's going through the hose and cleaning out the hose. That is so cool. You wouldn't think this was a cool feature until you've had one of these that got really dirty. That's my favorite feature. No joke. I cannot tell you how many portable carpet cleaners I have owned over the years. Just know that I've owned Huskies for over 20 years, which means we've had puppies. And this will actually turn like yellow and gross because you can't get it cleaned out. And I've had to replace these hoses with that to be able to use that every time after and clean this out. Game changer. This thing is awesome. It's very lightweight. I love that the hose wraps around it, the cord wraps around it, everything kind of sticks together. And then to empty it, super easy. Pull up on this. You can see the tank's got some dirty water in it. We will dump that out and then right back in here, it will go. Super awesome, super easy. Highly recommend this. I also love how compact it is. Yeah, totally. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.